everyone! Today, I'm diving into something super close to my heart, the secrets to maintaining a happy family life. Yes, it's those little moments and decisions that build the foundation of a joyful home. Now, let's start with the magic of communication. Chatting over dinner, asking about each other's days, and really listening. These are not just polite gestures. They are the threads that weave a family together. When we open up and share our experiences, we understand each other better. And that understanding is the bedrock of all good relationships. Next up, quality time. And no, it doesn't mean just sitting in the same room. It's about making each moment count. Be it a weekend picnic, a board game night, or just a simple walk in the park, it's these shared experiences that fill our memory banks with joy. But here's a secret ingredient: appreciation. A simple thank you to your spouse for cooking dinner, a well done to your kid for their hard work, or even a hug for no reason at all can light up someone's entire day. Acknowledging each other's efforts goes a long way in nurturing love and respect. Now let's not forget about boundaries and personal space. Yes, even in a family, everyone needs their little island of solitude. Respecting these personal boundaries teaches mutual respect and gives everyone the room to grow individually, which is crucial in a thriving family environment. And finally, resilience. Every family faces challenges, but it's how you come together during those times that really defines your bond. Facing problems together, supporting each other, finding solutions as a team, that's what makes a family strong. So remember, the secret to a happy family isn't locked away in some mysterious place. It's right there in the everyday choices you make. Communicate, spend quality time, show appreciation, respect personal space, and stick together through thick and thin. That's it for today. Embrace these practices and watch your family life bloom with happiness and love. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on living a more fulfilling life. Take care, everyone, and keep spreading the love within your family.